Hey everybody, so I have a little bit of a final to show you. It didn't take long to build this kit because I ended up not painting the body color and all that. But I did paint the interior cockpit and some of the interior stuff. But one thing that really ruined this kit was it's done with stickers. No water slides. I think you can pre-order water slides for these kits, but it wouldn't be for this one, it would be for a different one. I didn't see the pre-orders for this specific model, but they're all stickers, and I tried doing clear over them and everything like that to try to get them to go down. So what I ended up doing was a very aggressive, very hoar weathering, and it's still, I mean, you can still kind of see the square outline of the sticker and all that stuff, but it really ruins the kit for me. So I kind of was disappointed in that, but I mean, it's such a cool design for a kit that it just kind of, I don't know, being nitpicky, I guess. But there's the base to it. I thought the base idea was really cool. So I lightly weathered that so it kind of looked like it's one of the mecha bases, I guess you'd want to call it, one of their hangars. Being all, you know, metal and concrete and that. So, but I left it so it does spin, it does come off. Left the cockpits, they come off too. There's a better look at the weathering. But the pin does come out too, still, but I didn't want to glue it in there in case I gotta take it apart. There's that. So here's a look at the base for the underneath. Like I said, I did some harsh weathering on it. This thing's be going in and out of space too. I mean, you're going through the atmosphere. If you ever see a space capsule or anything like that, once it comes back, they're pretty rough. And the little movies or episodes that they have of this show, they kind of get beat to hell. So, but they have a very basic cockpit. I added brown in there just to make it look like it's some kind of leather. And then the screen you barely can see. And then the glue is still drying, so it's white of course, but it'll dry clear. But it was a fun build, but I was kind of being a little picky. My cockpit glass, the canopy glass I should say, that was 2 pieces, and just glued that together. But that's all that's on that. Hope you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.